Welcome to another cooking, and we are going to have nilagang baka. As you can see, we have here Angus beef, and these and more super delicious food recipes of my beautiful and beloved mom are in this world's #1 food recipes almanac. Mom and Chef Nanay Nene Teodora, Philippines Cuisine. Cookbook recipes written by her daughter Juanita de Guzman Gutierrez, BSED, MSED, Bachelor of Science in Education. I graduated at the University of the East in Manila, Philippines, together with all of my brothers and sisters from elementary, high school, all the way to our college graduation. MSED, Master of Science in Education. I graduated at Fordham University here in Manhattan, New York City, New York, USA, where I'm a New York City school teacher for so many years. And this, my 22 books, yes, 22, and Mom and Chef is one of them, are available worldwide at Amazon, Ex Libris, Barnes & Nobles, in ebook, Kindle, paperback format. Ebook means you could upload it right away in your computer, and at my two websites, JuanitaGutierrez.com, JuanitaGutierrez, BSED, MSED.com, and more. Delightful food recipes are in this, my beautiful mom's cookbook, Mom and Chef, Nanay Nene Teodora, Philippines Cuisine. Cookbook recipes written by her daughter Juanita de Guzman Gutierrez, BSED, MSED. And I'm going to lead you now to our waiting hot pan, and I'm going to relate to you the ingredients of our nilagang baka or boiled beef. We have red cabbage, we have, let me show you the camera here, bell pepper, we have onions, we have yellow potatoes, and we have, it's right here, broccoli in my mom's book cover, Mom and Chef, Nanay Nene Teodora, Philippines Cuisine. Cookbook recipes available worldwide. And I'm going to add more, excuse me please, ingredients. And we have sweet corn right there, and it's right here, sweet corn. They're really very sweet, and yellow corn is very appetizingly nutritious. Now, excuse me please, would like to add more corn, and more corn, and then we're gonna add Angus beef, and then right here, like so, and we're just going to put it on the top. Usually nilaga or boiled beef is composed of the beef bones, but I'm not choosing the beef excuse me please, I'm excited. I'm not choosing the beef bones because you cannot eat the bones, right? Now, let's see here. I am going to add it. Water. This is our tap water, purified. And let me get one more, some more. And we're going to add in whole black peppercorn, or you could put the grinded one if you don't have the whole one right here. And this is really very nutritious and very, very, very delicious. And I have saffron right here, and it's very nutritious as well. You could add it when everything is cooked. So I'm going to put this later on. By the way, I'm inviting you for a 10% discount using my name, Juanita, if you would like to order all fresh seafood, steaks, and more here in New York City, New York, USA, where I am, online, www.allfreshseafood.com, or over the phone, 1-833-GOT-CRAB. And enjoy the 10% discount, and thank you for all your support. They have all fresh seafoods and grass-fed steaks and more, just like this one. And I'm going to squeeze in a little bit of Himalayan salt according to your taste. I watch Mom cook, so I am using Mom's technique in cooking. And let me add a little bit more of water. And then I am going to cover them quickly so it will cook. Easy does it, isn't it? And more delightful food recipes of my beautiful and beloved mom, Mrs. Teodora Gutierrez, in this her gorgeous cookbook, Mom and Chef Nanay Nene Teodora, Philippines Cuisine. Cookbook recipes written by her daughter, speaking to you about the video, Juanita de Guzman Gutierrez, BSED, MSED. And my beloved mom is the only girl in her family and first woman ever elected public official in her hometown, and a top notch of that. Excuse me, please. And my mom proposed and founded the only public high school where I, her daughter, yes, that's me speaking to you about the video, first taught as a new school teacher and was unanimously elected the Youngest Teacher Association president. And then I moved to the city of Manila to be the English professor at the University of the East, where I graduated from elementary, high school, all the way to our college graduation with my brothers and sisters. And then all the way here in New York City, New York, USA, where I'm a New York City school teacher for so many years, where I graduated at Fordham University here in New York City, New York, USA, where I am with my Master's of Science in Education degree. And my beloved father was a municipal treasurer and executive secretary, and my dad was the only one chosen to be the stenographer typist at the USA airport, here in America airport, for so many years. And then when my beloved father retired, he was twice 10 elected leader, and he signed a public school budget so that all the principals and teachers could get paid, and that includes me when I was a new school teacher there. And more delightful food recipes, way of life, Philippine traditions, Tagalog learning are in this beautiful cookbook, Mom and Chef Nanay Nene Teodora, Philippines Cuisine. Cookbook recipes, the word Nana is a Tagalog word that means mom. Nene is the affectionate name that my dad and all my uncles calls mom, because mom is the only girl in her family. And also, my beloved parents only yet are huge fishing boat named after Saint Anthony, because when they were newly married, Saint Anthony saved them. Thank you, Saint Anthony. And I wrote all the miracles of Saint Anthony in another book I entitled Missing People, Animals, Things. Go to Anthony. Written by yours truly, Juanita de Guzman Gutierrez, BSED, MSED, and available worldwide as well at Amazon, all bookstores near you. And you will notice some American foods there that my dad always sent each month. And every month we have a family photographer who takes our pictures so that mom could send them here in America and dad could see us growing up. And dad will always write and say, give my kisses to the children. And mom will always give kisses to all of us. Isn't that very sweet? And more in this, my 22 books, yes, 22, are available worldwide. And also I wrote a Tagalog book. I entitled Speak Tagalog, available worldwide as well at Amazon and all bookstores and at my website, JuanitaGutierrez.com, and another website, new one, Juanita Gutierrez, BSED, MSED.com. Enjoy, happy cooking. And we have Nilaga, boiled beef with corns and all the veggies. See you in the next video. Enjoy. Yum.